The first, I've been coming for a few years, and I've always wondered, you pretty much know everything, right? And that's not the question.
Well, it's interesting because we would not say that we, as you look at this embodiment that represents us, and we would not say that we know everything because it's all about focus. We would say we, like you, have access to everything.
Okay.
And we know everything that anyone could ask in any moment.
Okay. Well, let me give you the context. I've just always wondered, if you do know everything or have access to everything, why do you need Jerry's beeper to tell you that you're close to the end?
Well, it's a co-creative experience in that it sort of cues everyone up. And we know where we are in relationship to what the group is asking. And often we are aware of where we are in relationship to time. But this time-space reality, the reason that we have conversation and the reason that there is value in conversation is because it causes a rendezvousing. And so it's a sort of merging with time that is not our normal experience. We are timeless. When we join you in your time-space reality, we all sort of have to conform.
Okay. Next question.
And you know you
oh,
don't...
Sorry.
Well, it was us jumping in on you, but you know our timing was just off. You know how you don't need an alarm clock to wake you up?
Right.
In other words, you can establish when you want to wake up and you just do. So we're all tapped into that awareness of rendezvousing, you see. Yes. And Jerry keeps changing the time.
I'm sure it's fun. Okay, I lied. It'll be three questions. The second one will be a short one.
Next time someone starts a seminar by saying, "We think you know everything," we'll send them immediately back to their chair.